Hey fam, so Jalyn had a deadline of 1 year from when she graduated until the next year that she was going to be on her own and in her own home. Not renting, but owning her own home. So she is in search of a condo. And you all being an extension of our family, we would love to bring y'all along. So come along with us for Jalyn's condo home search.
There's a plug
Up there. I mean, right.
Here's the attic right here.
Yeah.
Drop all my clothes instead of just dropping them on the floor.
Hello. So your outlet, 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 outlet. Nice and airy. I like it. It looks better than the pictures. I don't think the pictures did it justice. It's a big laundry room. I could have had a second room down here for that. Oh, wow. Oh, somebody had a sewing machine. Let's sew. So there still was a very nice car left behind by the previous owner, and I was so in love with this car. I was going to buy this car if they were selling it too, but it was not for sale. So the home search and all the walking around had us really hungry. Isaiah, he gets a bowl usually, sometimes a burrito, but usually a bowl here lately. Chris wanted Subway. He did not want Chipotle. And Jalyn, she gets a bowl. She always gets a wrap in her bowl. And then this is mine. I always get mine with a side of chips and salsa. Hey guys, so I just went grocery shopping. Just did a lot actually. I didn't take out my camera because it probably would have slowed me down. I had a lot to do today and still have a lot to do today. So I went to, let me turn the camera around. I went to the gym where we go. Had to switch cards for that. Put a new card on file. Then I had to go to the bank. And then I had to go to Meyer, Kroger, and Aldi. And so I have to hurry up and put this stuff up, get to Isaiah, take him to the eye doctor, and then I have an usher board meeting tonight at 6. So I just got a lot to do. And I got to cook. So just got a lot to do. But this is what I got at the grocery store. So from Meyer, I got this Pompeian extra virgin olive oil. It's a huge bottle. It's 68 ounces. I had a $2.25 off coupon for that. So I was very happy for that. This is the kind I get most, well, not most of the time, but I have been getting this lately. The Pompeian, and it's a good brand. And got 2 white split top loaves of bread. I got 1 turkey sausage, the links, and the original recipe. Got some creamy chicken flavored rice. And I'll get 75 cents off of this. This is the Dial coconut water and mango. That smells really good. And I got the hamburger buns. I think they were like 89 cents. And then I got chicken broth. I got 4 cans of chicken broth. And I got some rigatoni. That's the first time I got that. And then I got some Nico. I don't know if it's Nicot or Nico, but peanut butter. These are so good. Peanut butter sandwich cookie thingamabobs. And then the vanilla ones. They come in handy, y'all. We'll be sitting at the games. I know I need healthy snacks, so I will be getting that too. But these are just good to snack on. We're sitting at the baseball games. Got some cilantro. Got some green onion. And I got these because y'all know my accent color is lavender, or lilac rather. And this will go in my kitchen and bathroom, and it smells so good. And these were not on sale. They was $3.09 a piece. Too much for this size, but I liked it. I got some Lysol on the go. We can take that on the plane with us when we go away. We'll be going away in a couple weeks, so I can take that. I like to have this or either the wipes for the hotel room, but I'll be taking both. And I got these house shoes. So Myers is like Walmart here in our city, and these were regular price $12.99. I got them for $6.99. And then I got this all one hemp almond pure Castile bar soap, the Dr. Bronner's. This smells so good. So I wanted to try it before I bought the big bottle of the liquid, but I like bar soap. I tend to like that more. Sometimes I use body wash, but I love soap more. I got some floss. I got 2 of these little small travel size toothpastes to take with us. And then I got some sports sunscreen. I got 2 of those, SPF 30. Then I got some mandarin oranges. Jalyn likes mandarin oranges. I got these. I already have some of these, but these are so cute. It's just an impulse buy. I believe these were $1 or $1.25. I just love that pearlesque look on there. And couldn't pass it up. Got the toothbrush holder and the soap holder. Got 2 Parmesans, 1 mozzarella and provolone, and then 1 taco seasoning cheese. And I got some crab. I got some grapes. I got some heavy whipping cream for when we do like the Alfredo and stuff. I already have a big one in the refrigerator. But I got some lettuce and then 1 shredded lettuce. And you guys were telling me about the Jergens honey lotion, so I wanted to try that. And I got some, a big bottle of Dawn. I had a good coupon. I think it was like $1. Oh goodness, how much was it? It was $1.50, I think it was, off of that. And then what else? I got some Campbell's cream of mushroom. I had a coupon for that. So I got that because I usually get the store brand of the cream of mushroom. Got some oranges. Got one orange free with a coupon. I got some bananas and the 9-grain bread that I love. I got that from Meijer. And then I got this little 1/4 piece of size of watermelon. And I think that was all from Meijer. From Aldi, I got these cinnamon crunch, just like cinnamon toast crunch. Got those for Isaiah. He likes those. Got 2 gallons of milk. I got these chicken breast strips. And I got some turkey rolls for these. Mushrooms, 2 bags of broccoli that'll go into Alfredo. Have carrots, 2 avocados. We got some fresh strawberries, some ground turkey. This is $6.99 for 2 pounds and 4 ounces. I got some salmon and celery, and also these peppers. So that's from Aldi. And then from Kroger, I got broccolini because I didn't see the broccolini. They had rapini, and they said that's the same thing, but it did not look the same at Meijer. So I went on to Kroger's where I knew they had it and got 3 of these. I love this broccolini. And then some mucus relief and allergy relief, the Kroger brand. That's just like Mucinex, and this is like Zyrtec, and they both work really good. So that is my grocery haul. So I needed something really easy to make for dinner today, and tacos were on the menu. So easy, and these are our favorites. They were so good. FaceTiming with my oldest son and my granddaughter are one of the highlights of my week. It's always good to see them. Hey fam, so the real estate agent came back and said that Jalyn was not the one that was accepted for the offer. It went to someone else with a higher bid. So she was down a little bit about it, but she came around and said, you know, what's for me is for me. So the home search continues.